Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, November 17, 2021. Yesterday was a strong day for the markets. We closed up at the all-time high closing price in the S&P. Significant highs there. We didn't quite take out the all-time high in terms of where it was on an intraday basis. We just missed it by about a point and a half or so. But we closed up at the all-time closing high here on this options expiration week of November. So we're going to look at that type of pattern here specifically as we are 2 days out from options expiration day and we are on the heels of a strong session. Let me go ahead and grab all four instruments. The setup we'll be looking at this morning is based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15. Now currently we are trading down just a little bit in the overnight session. It's been fairly quiet so far. We're just a couple points down at the time of this recording. So I'm going to add that here to this study, gap direction, gap down. Next, I'm going to go into price patterns library, and I'm going to say yesterday closed at the highest closing price of the past 50 days. I'm going to grab that from the new highs section here. Day after a 50-day high close, I'm going to hit equals next to it. Then I'm going to go into the calendar library. And actually, I'm going to skip the calendar library. I was going to say that it's Wednesday, but that's really not needed because all I need to do is go to the market events library, and we've already got 2 days before options expiration available in the day before market events library. So I'm going to come here, and I'm going to click on 2 days before options expiration. And since we're above a 50-day high close, I probably don't need or since we've got a 50-day high close, I probably don't need these indicators on there. I'm going to throw them on there anyway, but they're probably not necessary. And then I'm going to click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When it is 2 days before options expiration day, you get a gap down when the prior day was closing at the highest closing price of the past 50 days. I've got above a 10 and 200 in here, probably not necessary. At least that 10 is not necessary. The 200 could be. But that is what this is based upon. And we've got 22 samples in the S&P dating back to 2003. We've got 15 for the NASDAQ, 21 for the Dow, 13 for the Russell. Win rates on these, fairly similar. So we've got S&P, 64% of these have closed above that opening print for the day. The NASDAQ coming in at 60%, the Dow coming in 76%, and the Russell 62%. So some of those a little bit stronger than others, with the Dow coming in 76%. Sample sizes are not all that large here, so keep that in mind, but they are all in agreement. If we look at the average moves, looks like the average win is larger than the average loss for the S&P. That is not the case for the NASDAQ. Dow has a larger average win, and Russell has a larger average loss. So average moves completely mixed there. We've got 2 and 2 for wins versus losses being larger, and the win percentages are all in agreement. Historically, this day has closed above its open more often than not. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.